Today we're going to take a look at WebTools Nausea by Celette. You can access the platform using any standard web browser. Once you're connected, simply log in to begin. From the main menu, you'll see the available measuring platforms. For today's demonstration, we'll be working inside Nausea. Here, you can choose between several different measuring modes, including diagnostic, symmetrical, only without database support, and point-to-point measuring. Before starting, the software provides a reminder about parking or resetting the Nausea head. If needed, there's also a support video available that walks you through the process. Once connected through Bluetooth, there are several ways to search for a vehicle. You can use the drop-down menus to select the make, model, and version manually, or in some cases, simply type the name of the vehicle directly into the search field. For this demonstration, we'll be working on a 2018 Nissan Rogue. Next, select the type of measuring operation you want to perform, such as diagnostic, parts out, front, or rear measuring. This is what the vehicle database looks like inside WebTools Nausea. Now let's take a closer look at some of the newer options and features available within the system. Here, we see the default leveling points. If these points are accessible on the vehicle, you can use them directly. If not, the software allows you to manually select alternate points. For this setup, we'll use points 15, 16, 25, and 26 for leveling. Once those points are selected, we'll begin the leveling process by clicking Start Leveling. The software prompts us to measure point number 15 first. As you can see, we've achieved a strong best fit result. At this point, the system automatically allows us to continue measuring additional points. We'll go ahead and measure a few more points throughout the vehicle. If a measurement needs to be corrected, the software allows you to select the point and delete it before remeasuring. Now let's move into symmetrical measurements. By right-clicking in the workspace and selecting Symmetrical, the software prompts us to begin measuring. We'll measure the first point, followed by the second point. If we want to perform another symmetrical measurement, we simply right-click again and select Symmetrical. Once complete, the new Symmetry button allows us to instantly review those measurements directly on screen without needing to generate a report. The same applies to distance measurements. Now let's perform a distance measurement between 2 points. The software immediately displays the distance between those selected locations. From here, you can continue building additional symmetrical or distance measurements as needed throughout the repair process. Our report has also been updated with several new features. Inside the report section, you'll see all of the points that have been measured, including symmetrical and distance measurements. From here, you can add a description to each point, enter comments, and even attach photos for documentation. To add a photo, select the photo option. You can either take a photo directly or scan the QR code with your phone. The system will open a web page on your phone, allowing you to capture the image and upload it directly into the report. Once the photo is uploaded, it will appear with that specific measurement point. After the measurements, descriptions, comments, and photos are complete, the report can be generated. Once the report is ready, you'll see the vehicle information, shop information, measured points, descriptions, comments, and any photos that were attached. The report also includes a QR code, which allows you to quickly send the report by text or email to another person or another computer. When finished, you can close the report and continue measuring if needed. You can also update the report type, such as changing it to a pre-repair or post-repair report. Then save the updated version. For more information, contact Celette or visit celette.com.